Also to interrupt the court, my lord, I've just been asked by Mr. Teffo to report that he is sitting here in court as a watching brief, my lord, as the court pleases.
My request to my learned colleague has been just to introduce me, then I will stand up and give the reason why I'm here. That is what I requested from her.
No, she said you are a watching brief. I think we should leave it at that because we are busy with the process. I've been told by Advocate Mshololo that
yes,
you said I should know that you are here as a watching brief.
Yes.
And I think that does it.
she didn't put it in a correct way, in the right context.
No, please.
I will put it in the correct context.
Mr. Teffo,
As a watching brief,
the other day outside here, we started late because I was explaining to you that these accused persons have paid these representatives who are here to represent them in this case. And whatever time we spend here, it is at their expense. Now you are watching. That's what you are telling me. I'm asking you to stay put and watch that brief and allow the representatives of the accused to play their roles. Now it is the opportunity for Advocate Baloyi to address me. Now what you want to do now is coming in between, and it is disturbing these proceedings. Sit down and watch. I am not saying I'm allowing you to sit down and watch the brief, or I'm disallowing you, but I have been told and I have noted it.
Your Lordship, like I said, let me put in the right context.
No.
I'm not here to sit and watch.
You are not going to address me.
I've been given instructions, several instructions by Sipho Meyiwa, the brother of the deceased. I've been given the instructions.
You are disturbing court. Please sit down, or I will order that you be taken out. You are disturbing us.
If you feel like that, Your Lordship, you can do that. But you must know that you are depriving the right people who are affected by this.
Yes.
This witness is a witness of the great interest to Sipho Meyiwa,
Mr. Teffo, sit down and allow Advocate Baloyi to continue with what is of interest in this case, which is what I want to hear. There's a ruling for me to make, and time is of essence. I'm saying sit down and allow Advocate Baloyi. This is an interruption, and it is rude, if you ask me. It is a rude interruption which is unnecessary for our purposes. You are not the only watching brief that was spoken about in this case. There's never been a watching brief here who has interrupted proceedings.
I'm not just watching.
And watching briefs don't address court. On whose behalf are you addressing me?
I am not just watching briefs. I've got instructions.
Mr. Teffo, please sit down. If you don't sit down, if you address me wasting time again, I request the court orderlies and whoever is responsible in this court to make sure that you are taken out.
I'm not intending to interrupt this court.
Sit down. Sit down, Advocate Mr. Teffo.
I'm here to bring the submission later.
I told you that I've heard that. Why must you say it 100 times?
Thank you, Lord.
And when you submit whatever, it will be for me to decide whether I take it. But I will decide that that has not happened yet.
It was that from there,
Advocate Baloyi.